Akuapem Poloo, my people, I don't bring una all the way from Ghana. And yes, if you dey follow us, you go remember say this girl matter been the trend before based on one particular picture, birthday picture for him pikin. The same pikin be the clock 7 years old. Where they go do picture like say they open a pornography studio. They go, I better put the picture first, maybe they see so that as they talk, they go understand. 7 years birthday, now in this boy they do. Where this woman go scatter the whole internet, break everybody's phone, waste our data. After she tried finish now, so una know some countries get sense. Ghana get sense. You understand? I don't call anybody near. I just say some countries get sense. So now the Ghana people where we get, they don't say this thing are nonsense. Since last year they did on top this matter. My people, the latest one now, nine just drop now. And now they don't convict her by Accra Circuit Court. And because of the nude picture matter, my people, now they don't tell her say, make she go do pregnancy test before they go sentence her. You understand? Listen, no, they say me should do prayer because they know 1 year say you been get belle and the court is responsible for miscarriage and this one, so they need to be sure before they give her punishment. So they say me she go do the pregnancy test before she go come back, then they go decide. And according to matter wey reach me, they say she plead guilty for all the 3 charges where they give her. She plead guilty, no excuse, no reason. So now they say it is either they put her in prison or community service, or they go fine her, meaning say she go pay heavily for the thief, for the calamity where she do. And this one no be us go decide, and this one it dey depend on the presiding judge where they run the matter. My people, when this thing land for my side today, I come to say because since last year I don't already forget say something like this exist safe. I don't forget that. Now, she say, no, Ghana people, they serious. If na Nigeria, hey, why I mention name now? Hey, wait see. If na Nigeria, this matter, they go bury her under carpet. You know, go even here, we've punished her. But see this one now, they are announcing it so that everybody go know say this thing. Now, like this, they deal with matter. No be the one way when I go they select. Because he's a celebrity, let's just do bias. Citizen are citizen, and the law is the law. If you like be the who I even walk, you must obey and you must stand. Make she just pray. Maybe as they go do the test, you understand? Make she just pray. Maybe one spirit go enter. Maybe I don't know what she want to do. I mean, maybe this night, maybe she just take in this night so that it go just show positive. Now, the only way if he help her reduce the, you understand? Nobody say they go forgive her if she get belle. They go just, because of that, they go come reduce the, you understand? Make she just pray as you they go. And not do first result, my sister, because I beg, talking of first result, because my fellow Ghanaians, if you know they watch me, when they carry this result, may another doctor they go do another one, because this nowadays I'm not trust human being. She feel go do first one, they go write positive. Meanwhile, nothing they inside. Very wisdom no go kill me. Are too wise. Leave that one. Are too wise. Now go they hate me because I don't bring interest in this thing. Because the law is the law, and I say it again. The law is the law. Actions must proceed. And for all of una way they thought say no me they just look at small now. She get pikin now. She no say she get pikin when she they go open pornography studio. You know. Okay. The 7 years old boy suddenly became adult. She didn't know that boy was a minor. You carry your pikin. You go they show us in small gundus. We be like Jingle Bear. You they show us. I beg, what be the message for that picture? What is the message inside that picture? Since you people want people to forgive her, oh yeah, make una tell us. Maybe it is a good thing. Tell us what makes that picture a good thing. Ordinary 7 years birthday. Now you go do nude shoot. By the time na wedding, what you go do? Una go open everywhere. Snap the inside. Show us the whole. No, I just they wonder. 7 years. Hey, Chineke, where are they 7? Are they 7 years? Now, wow, this one don't change, oh. This one, not be that period where my mama said go tie wrapper. If they give her a chance, she go even tie wrapper for the hand, make the hand no show. See our generation now. Everything just now things like this they happen. I just hope say she don't learn a lesson. Now things like this they happen when our celebrities, they won't follow white people. You know, say even Beyonce do this kind of thing now. Huh? They go clap. They go even call and give her award. Best picture of the. You know, see these white people, they sabi from mumu titles. They go just give her award. Rihanna come out, cover just 2 nipples. They go give her award. You understand? Now our celebrities won't start a copy. Now you don't see them. You have gotten the thing you have been looking for. You know you never get foundation, strong foundation. You look for people who go hype you. Next time, I bet make I even laugh. Say, wait, nobody died though. It's just prison. They are imprisoning her. You understand? I bet make her laugh. Next time, madam. Next time, open your ear very well. In fact, bring her outside. May not be like say they talk to the crowd. Auntie Nudity Association of Accra, Ghana. Next time, if you dey chase clout, you go think am 2 times. Next time, if you dey look for fame, you want to be this, I don't even know say you exist before, even not for this picture wey you do, and truly don't bring you about the wrong way. This one, I bet wetin we wan call her, chasing clout gone wrong. Next time you go think 2 times. I bet go serve your this thing. My people, I bet wetin una think. This one now, may they put her in prison for a particular time. May they find am how much una want make she pay, or may she do community service. This community service, I go call those people. E get one place where I know, hey, the bush don't grow, make she clear the whole land. E be like saying that one, I no just know, but my people, I wan hear from una first. Una know say una be my people, so I beg start the drop her for that side. I wan know wetin una think based on una opinion. I go know how I go pursue this case, because this one I dey behind am solidly. I beg English no be my language. Anyhow, I dey behind this case, so start the drop the comment for that comment section. I make sure say you share this video. Our fellow Ghanaians must know what is happening in their land. Yeah, very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you want to get interesting matters like Akuapem Poloo. Stay tuned for our next story.